Speech is natural mode of communication for human beings. The role of speech processing is to make human-computer interaction as natural as possible. The core strength of speech processing lab at IIIT is to build speech systems for Indian languages and processing the speech in an unconventional way, which is initiated by Professor Narayana. The applications what we build in speech lab are on speech recognition, speaker recognition, language recognition, emotion recognition, speech-to-speech translation, pathological speech processing, and spoken language informatics. The alumni of speech lab are at various MNCs like Apple, Google, Microsoft, etc. and pursuing higher studies in university like Carnegie Mellon University, Brno University, Aalto University, University of Edinburgh. Okay. We are very thankful to our funding agencies, namely TDIL, MIT, DST and other industry partners.
In multilingual societies, voice-based human-computer interactions are severely affected by the nativity influences. In order to address these challenges, as a part of spoken language informatics, we explore automatic methods to detect these nativity influences and develop diagnosis methods for two aspects. One, to build effective speech applications under multilingual context to reduce nativity influences using computer-assisted language learning techniques. Though there are many language learning facilities, particularly in metro cities, a report showed that approximately 50% of undergraduates not employable due to lack of language skills. We believe our methods could break these language learning barriers using automatic learning strategies. Our methods not only confined to analyze these aspects, we apply our methods towards designing proof of concept models to reach society.
In pathological speech processing, in our lab, we are working on speech disorders like dysarthria, Parkinson, hypernasality, dementia, stuttering and voice disorder. A subject suffering with voice disorder will be having difficulty in producing the normal speech. We in our lab work on different signal processing methods and AI methods for detection and assessment of voice pathology. These methods are viable techniques and used by pathologists to assess the voice disorder from the early stage. We are also working on collection of speech data, which is pathological speech data for Indian language from Ayush Mysore and neurologists from Indore.
In our lab, we focus on building automatic speech recognition ASR systems for Indian languages towards the building of ASR engines, and this rise has been exponential. Even human parity has been achieved for globally for English language by tech giants such as Google, Microsoft and IBM. The reason for achieving human parity is due to the tons of training data used in their systems. But coming to Indian scenarios, magnitude of such data for Indian vernacular space has not been explored. They are lacking in this space for building the state-of-art ASR systems. We IIITH, in collaboration with Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MIT, had initiated a project towards this crowdsourced Telugu data collection. So as an initial step to this data collection, we had designed a framework in order to collect all the speech samples from the crowd. And the links for their recordings has been passed, and these links have been collected across both from their web-based interfaces and mobiles also. So we are in a verge of completion of this project as per the target set by MIT.
As Indian languages are syllabic in nature, for building pronunciation model, we have adopted an approach called common label set approach. In practice, it would be very heavy to have 22 monolingual ASR systems running parallelly. So, building multilingual ASR system for all Indic languages within a single acoustic model is widely appreciated. So, we from IIIT Hyderabad have come up with a unique framework for building a joint acoustic model using common label set approach. So, I am picking Hindi initially. So, let me record my own voice. Mera Bharat Mahan. Mera Bharat Mahan. So you can see here there is a transcribed text. Similarly, let me try for Telugu. Nenu Hyderabad lo unnanu. Similarly, it is being recorded here. So let me try a code switch version which has a combination of Telugu, Tamil and Gujarati. Podumakkal Mahati Anusar Teliyadu. Podumakkal Mahati Anusar Teliyadu. You can see the orthography of Tamil, Gujarati and Telugu simultaneously. So all these models are in-house development. As of now, we will be working on 7 Indian languages by targeting till 2021 December.